Good day, everyone. Hi, learners. This is Professor A, and I have a question for you. So this is question number 2 of my Q&A with Professor A series. The question: when should you write the executive summary for the FS or the business plan? So you have multiple choice answers. So select the answer that you think that is correct. Letter A, after all the FS or business plan components are completed. Letter B, before starting with any of the FS or business plan components. Letter C, it doesn't matter as long as you write the executive summary. Letter D, I don't know the answer and I need your help. So let me know your answers and comment on the chat box below. To learn more, follow me on my social media accounts and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Have a great day, everyone.